Rydyn ni'n falch ein bod wedi ennill y Gwobrau, efydd yn Gymraeg Campus. We are representatives of Crew Gymraeg from Pontyclun Primary School. We wear these jumpers on special occasions. In our school, we have 2 members from every year group to feed back to all classes on our meetings.
We attend weekly Club Crew Gymraeg and share our ideas on how to improve Welsh in our school. Crew Gymraeg do a Welsh assembly, which we call Cymru yn y Canol. We read a Welsh-themed story, sing a Welsh song and say a Welsh prayer.
Throughout the week, teachers and members of Crew Gymraeg give out Talking Iaith, which are a token to show Welsh being spoken. During the assembly, we take a Talking Iaith out of the bowl and have a Siarter Iaith winner. They get to take home Sarah Spark and complete a diary, showing where they've been and what Welsh they have spoken.
Crew Gymraeg have done a lot of other things, like hold poster competitions, to make our school look even more Welsh.
We've learnt playground games and taught them to the younger children.
We've spoken to parents and governors in our school about the Cymraeg Campus projects and our aim to join the 1 million Welsh speakers by 2050.
We joined in when we had Welsh visitors, like Martin Geraint and Beth and Nia, the harpist.
For 18 Llawer o Hwyl. Yn y dyfodol, we're hoping to get the Gwobr arian in Gymraeg Campus. One project we've been working on is the Daffodil project. Over the holidays, we've asked for everyone in the foundation phase to make a daffodil.
Then, we wrote a letter to the local businesses and shops asking if we could display them in their windows.
In the Cymru yn y Canol assembly, we told the children if they bring in evidence back to school, they get to enter a prize draw.
We have lots more ideas. Rydyn ni'n caru Cymru ac yn falch I fod yn Gymraeg.